Exercise 4.2, question number first. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. First part, x raised to power 2 minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Splitting middle term. Minus 10x square. First and last multiplication is minus 10x square. 2 5s are 10. That is by splitting middle term, x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Minus 5x plus 2x, that is equal to minus 3x. 5 2s are 10x square. X is common, x minus 5 in bracket and x minus 5 in bracket plus 2 is common, that is equal to 0. 2 multiplied by x is equal to 2x and 2 multiplied by minus 5, that is equal to minus 10. So 1 time x plus 2 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X equal to minus 2. X minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to positive 5. Answer. Given question is x raised to power 2 minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Splitting middle term, product of first and last is minus 10x square and prime factorization of 10 equal to 2 into 5 minus 5x plus 2x. Minus 5x plus 2x, that is equal to minus 3x. 5 minus 2 equal to minus 3x and product of 5x and 2x equal to minus 10x square. So splitting middle term, taking common x minus 5 in bracket and in bracket x minus 5, 2 is common. 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 5 minus 10. So x plus 2 taking 1 times and x minus 5 taking 1 times equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0 means x equal to negative 2. X plus 2 sign negative, that is x equal to minus 2 and x minus 5 equal to 0 means x equal to positive 5. Answer. Question first, second part. Given 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0 and product of first and last number is equal to 6 2s are minus 12x square product, but be split in two number, that is 4x minus 3x. 4x minus 3x equal to x and 4x multiplied by minus 3x, that is equal to minus 12x square. So 2x raised to power 2 plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. 4x minus 3x is equal to 1x, positive x. 4x minus 3x is equal to x and 4x multiplied by 3x, that is equal to minus 12x square. Splitting middle term, 2x is common and in bracket x plus 2 and x plus 2 minus 3 is common, that is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 or x plus 2 equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 means 2x is equal to minus 3, shift right side, that is positive 3, and x is equal to positive 3 upon 2. X plus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 2. Answer. Given quadratic equation is 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0, and splitting middle term, first and last number product of first and last equal to minus 12x square, but 4x into minus 3x, that will be minus 12x square, and 4x minus 3x equal to x. Splitting middle term, x 4x minus 3x equal to x, and 4x multiplied by minus 3x, that is minus 12x square. 2x is common, and in bracket x plus 2, 2x multiplied by x equal to 2x square, and 2x multiplied by 2 equal to 4x. So x plus 2 in bracket, same in this bracket, x plus 2, and 3 is common. 3 multiplied by x is minus 3x, minus 3 multiplied by 2, that is minus 6. So 3 is common, and 1 times x plus 2 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. But 2x minus 3 equal to 0 means 2x equal to positive 3 and x equal to positive 3 divided by 2. And x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x equal to minus 2. Answer. Question number first, third part. Under root 2x raised to power 2 plus 7x plus 5 under root 2 is equal to 0. Splitting middle term, product of first and last is equal to 5 2s are 10x square, but 5x plus 2x is equal to 7x, and 5x multiplied by 2x, that is equal to 10x square. So this 7x split into root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 under root 2 is equal to 0. 5x plus 2x, that is equal to 7x, and product of first and last is 10x square. So 5x multiplied by 2x, that will be 10x square. And in this, x is taking common root 2x plus 5 in bracket, and same in bracket 2x plus root 2x plus 5 plus root 2. Root 2 multiplied by root 2, that is 2x, and root 2 multiplied by 5, that is 5 root 2, is equal to 0. And x plus root 2 1 times, and root 2x plus 5 is 1 times equal to 0. X plus root 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus under root of 2. Root 2x is equal to minus 5. Shifting right side, positive 5, that will be negative 5, and x is equal to minus 5 upon under root of 2. Answer. Given root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0, and product of first and last is equal to root 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2, 2 5s are 10, x square. Product of two number is 10x square, that is 5x into 2x, and sum of 5x and 2x is equal to 7x. 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Taking x common and root 2x plus 5 in bracket. In this bracket, root 2x plus 5 and root 2 is common. Root 2 multiplied by root 2, that is equal to root 2 square, and 2 only 2x. Root 2 multiplied by 5, that is 5 root 2. So root 2 is common. 1 times x plus root 2 and root 2x plus 5. 1 times equal to 0. X plus root 2 is 0, means x is equal to minus root 2. And root 2 x plus 5 equal to 0. Root 2x equal to negative 5, but x equal to minus 5 upon root 2. Answer. Question first, fourth part. 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 8 is equal to 0. 8 multiplied by 2x square and 8 multiplied by x, that is 16x raised to power 2 minus 8x plus 1 divided by 8 equal to 0. 8 is directly multiplied by 0, that will be 0, and 16x raised to power 2 minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. And product of first and last equal to, product is equal to 16x square, and that is minus 4x minus 4x. Minus 4x minus 4x, that is equal to minus 8x. Their sum is minus 8x, and minus 4x multiplied by minus 4x, that will be positive 16x square. But split middle term, 16x square minus 8x can be write it as minus 4x and plus 1 is equal to 0. Because minus 4x equal to minus 8x, and product of minus 4x, that will be 16x square. 4x is taking common in this equation. 4x minus 1 in bracket and 4x minus 1 in bracket, and minus 1 is common. Minus 1 multiplied by 4x is minus 4x, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, that will be positive 1. So 4x minus 1 roots, and 4x minus 1 another roots equal to 0. 4x minus 1 equal to 0, 4x equal to 1. This implies x is equal to 1 upon 4. And same 4x minus 1 equal to 0, 4x is equal to 1, and x is equal to 1 by 4. So answer equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 4 equal roots. Given 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0, 8 multiplied by 2x square, that is 16x square. 8 into x, that is minus 8x plus 1 upon 8 equal to 0. 8 is directly multiplied by 0, that will be 0, and 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. It gives quadratic equation, and splitting middle term, first and last, product of first and last is 16x square, but we assume two number minus 4x, the sum of minus 4x is equal to minus 8x, and their product is equal to 16x square. So split minus 8x is equal to minus 4x, and taking common 4x and in bracket 4x minus 1, and here in bracket 4x minus 1 and minus 1 is common. 4x minus 1 equal to 0. 4x minus 1 equal to 0 means 4x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 upon 4. And here 4x minus 1 is 0, 4x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 upon 4. Equal roots, x equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Answer. Question first, fifth part. (100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. The product of first and last is equal to product equal to 100x square and 10x into 10x minus 10x minus 10x. Product of minus 10x equal to positive 100x square, and sum minus 10x minus 10x, their sum equal to minus 20x. Split minus 20x equal to minus 10x minus 10x. So 100x raised to power 2 split 20 minus 10x minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. The product of minus 10x equal to 100x square, and sum of minus 10x that will be minus 20x. So taking common in this equation 10x, correct? In bracket 10x minus 1. 10x multiplied by 10x is 100x square. 10x multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 10x. Here bracket 10x minus 1 and minus 1 is common equal to 0. Minus 1 multiplied by 10x, that is minus 10x, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, that will be positive 1. So factor is correct, and 10x minus 1, 1 times, we are taking 1 times 10x minus 1 and 1 times 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 10x minus 1 is equal to 0, 10x is equal to positive 1 and x is equal to 1 upon 10. One root is 1 upon 10 and another root x minus 10x minus 1 is equal to 0, 10x equal to positive 1 and another root is also 1 by 10. So x equal to 1 by 10, 1 by 10, answer. Given 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0 and product of first and last equal to 100x square and minus 10x minus 10x, product of minus 10x minus 10x, that will be 100x square, and minus 10x minus 10x, their sum is equal to minus 20x. So B split minus 20x is equal to minus 10x minus 10x. 100x square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0, and 10x taking common in bracket 10x minus 1, and here in bracket 10x minus 1 also, and minus 1 taking common, minus 1 multiplied by 10x, that is minus 10x, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, that will be positive 1 equal to 0. 10x minus 1 taking 1 times, and also 10x minus 1 taking 1 times equal to 0. 10x minus 1 is 0, means 10x equal to positive 1 and x equal to positive 1 upon 10. And 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. 10x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 10. Answer. Thank you.